Hi, my name is Hunter Luna, and I'm applying for the position of an athletic director. The reason I am applying for an athletic director position is because I like to maintain structure, I like to oversee tasks and manage day-to-day activities, and I like to maintain a busy but manageable schedule so I don't feel stagnant. And personally, I feel like becoming an athletic director offers me more avenues to go down and to be more multidimensional. To become an athletic director, you need at minimum a bachelor's degree in business administration, management, sports management, or sports administration. Many universities in the United States offer this, and it is not hard to come by. However, if you're looking to get into a higher position of athletic directing or go to a bigger institution, many places will require you to have a master's, and that master's would need to be in sports administration or sports management or a manager or management and leadership degree. There are organizations that you can become a part of which can set you apart from other applicants applying for the same position. One of these organizations is the National Association of Collegiate Directors of Athletics. They offer differing price ranges for for students at different levels of universities. There are also many benefits included in your membership package, and the scope of members that this organization usually applies to are athletic directors, associate and assistant athletic directors, conference commissioners, and affiliate individuals or corporations. Another organization that would be good for an athletic director to be a part of would be the National Interscholastic Athletic Administrators Association. They offer varying price ranges for different member statuses as well. You also are granted benefits with your membership as well with this organization, and their main priority is to provide services, programs, and courses, as well as other resources for administrators to grant students the opportunity of quality service. And lastly, the North American Society for Sports Management organization. They also offer varying price ranges for their different membership packages. This organization mainly develops theories and aspects of management theory and practices. They promote and support professional development, research, study, and scholarly writing of sports management. So along with belonging to an organization, you can also get certified, and that can set you apart from other applicants as well. The NIAA can certify people as a certified athletic administrator or a certified master athletic administrator. The only difference with the certified master athletic administrator is that you would also need to take additional classes and take a written exam. And the last certification that you could get would be a registered athletic administrator. For this, you would need to have a bachelor's degree. You would need to be sponsored and agree to their honor code of ethics. As of right now, my current qualifications would mainly be seen in my experiences. I've had experience in a managerial type role as a lifeguard and as a nursing intern, where I would oversee duties day to day. I would set up class schedules and talk to parents as a lifeguard. And then as an intern, I would set up special events and coordinate day-to-day activities for that event. And although this may not help me in the position of an athletic director, but I am certified to be a lifeguard. I am CPR, first aid, and AED certified, and I'm also certified to teach swim lessons. To further my qualifications, I am finishing my bachelor degree, which is in kinesiology with a concentration in sports management. I'm looking to obtain my master's. And then aside from that, I hope to gain more experience in the workplace. So currently I have applied on campus at CVU to work in the rec center, which would be involved more with the kinesiology scope of my studies. And I have also applied to be a student intern who would work with admissions, and I would either work in the admissions office or I would work on the event planning side of things. This way I can work on skills like communication, public speaking, more managing and organizational roles as well. With the qualifications I have now and the qualifications I will be gaining in the near future, I feel like I'll be a good fit for this role because I'll be working on skills that will translate into my future profession as an athletic director. Another reason that I think I would be a good fit as an athletic director is because I'm calm and confident under pressure or when I'm put on the spot. And I'm also good at articulating my words and stringing together sentences when I'm in the moment. Personally, I feel like an area of improvement would be when I feel flustered or overwhelmed. Sometimes I may be quick to make decisions just out of frustration or due to the fact that I feel that the response needs to be quick. But I need to remind myself that I just need to take a step back, collect my thoughts, and see where the problem is and what I can do to help it.